Our brains are truly remarkable. They are the control centers of our bodies, orchestrating everything we do. From our thoughts and emotions to our movements and senses, our brains are constantly at work. Think of your brain as the most complex computer ever designed. It's responsible for processing information, storing memories, and making decisions. Inside this incredible organ, billions of neurons fire away, sending electrical and chemical signals. These signals race along intricate pathways like tiny messengers carrying vital information. Our brains are always active, even when we're asleep. They're busy consolidating memories, dreaming up new ideas, and preparing us for the day ahead. The brain is divided into different regions, each with its own specialized functions. The cerebrum, the largest part of the brain, is responsible for higher-level thinking, language, and personality. The cerebellum, located at the back of the brain, helps us with balance, coordination, and movement. And the brainstem, which connects the brain to the spinal cord, controls essential functions like breathing and heart rate. It's truly humbling to think about everything our brains do for us, often without us even realizing it. In the next section, we'll delve deeper into the fascinating world of neurons and how they communicate with each other. Imagine a vast network of interconnected roads, bustling with activity. That's a lot like what's happening inside your brain right now. Billions of neurons are constantly sending and receiving signals. These signals travel along synapses, tiny bridges connecting neurons. When a neuron fires, it sends an electrical impulse down its axon. The signal triggers the release of neurotransmitters. These neurotransmitters bind to receptors on the receiving neuron. This signaling allows different parts of the brain to communicate. It's how we process information, form thoughts, and control movements. The connections between neurons change and strengthen based on experiences. This adaptability is called neuroplasticity. We'll explore this further in the next section. Our brains are not static organs. They are constantly changing and adapting throughout our lives, like clay being molded by our experiences. This remarkable ability is known as neuroplasticity. Every time we learn something new, form a new memory, or have a new experience, we're essentially rewiring our brains. Think about learning to ride a bike. At first it feels awkward and unfamiliar. Your brain is working hard to coordinate your movements and balance. But with practice, the neural connections involved in bike riding become stronger and more efficient. Eventually, riding a bike becomes second nature thanks to the power of neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity isn't just about learning new skills. It also plays a vital role in recovering from injuries. If one part of the brain is damaged, other areas can sometimes compensate and take over some of the lost functions. This is why stroke survivors can often regain some of their lost abilities through therapy and rehabilitation. Neuroplasticity highlights the incredible resilience and adaptability of our brains. In the next section, we'll explore some practical tips for keeping our brains healthy and functioning at their best. Just like our bodies need care, so do our brains. By adopting brain-healthy habits, we can support cognitive function and enhance memory. Engage in regular physical activity. Exercise increases blood flow to the brain, delivering vital oxygen and nutrients. Sleep is crucial for brain health. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. Diet plays a vital role in brain health. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and lean protein is essential. Mental stimulation keeps our minds sharp. Activities like reading, puzzles, and learning new skills are beneficial. Incorporate these habits to nurture and support your brain.